heard someone at a coffee shop today talk about how they were just dreading going into work tomorrow. And it's not appropriate to interrupt a stranger and start tapping with them, but I wanted to create a short tapping here if you're dealing with that, whether it's a scary boss or a deadline or a presentation, coworkers, whatever it might be. So giving yourself a moment, just take a breath, feeling into that emotion, start tapping on the side of your hand. And let's say, even though I am dreading going into work today, I choose to have compassion for myself and everything I'm dealing with. Even though I am dreading going to work today, and I may have good reason, I choose to honor myself and everything I'm feeling. And even though I am absolutely dreading going into work today, whether there's something special about today or work just sucks, and there's difficult people or situations, and I do not want to deal with it, I choose to have compassion for myself as best I can. And I'm open to finding any ways to make this more smooth, help myself feel more at ease, even if the challenges are very real. And let's go through the points now and say, I am dreading work today. I am not looking forward to this. And there may be some very good reasons. I may feel really certain about what I'm going to have to deal with. The attitudes, the way I'm respected or disrespected, the unfulfilling nature of the job, maybe a combination of many factors. And while I may not be able to change all the circumstances of my job, I'm choosing to give myself some space to be present with and help process this dread. As uncomfortable as it is to feel it, I'm choosing to be aware of it now. I'm choosing to listen to what that dread is saying, as though I was listening to my best friend, with a compassionate ear, letting it all come out. And I may be very justified in some of it, or all of it. Maybe it really is an unfair situation. Maybe I am spoken to with disrespect. As real as it all may be, as valid as my feelings are, I'm open to processing them and opening up to the possibility of how I can experience that situation in a way that triggers less of the uncomfortable or terrifying emotions. Because even if someone is objectively disrespecting me, not valuing me, I wonder if it is possible that even while that is happening, there can be a different kind of response internally. Not faking it, not trying to reframe it, but what might the experience be? What might it look and feel like? To say, this is obnoxious and it's not fun, but there's nothing to be afraid of. They can't actually hurt me on the deepest level, even if they could take my job away. I choose to open up to the possibility of not giving them the right to have such power over my inner experience. Because bad and unpleasant things can happen. I don't have to pretend to like them or have a fake invulnerability. But whatever it is I'm dreading so much, I'm allowing that to loosen a bit. Allowing myself to imagine, to feel into, yeah, I can handle that. I can handle what they say or do, even if I don't like it. It doesn't have to trigger any old feelings of fear or shame. I'm open to processing this so that I actually don't have some of the buttons that work pushes and whatever else I need to explore to help release that. Because I deserve this power for myself to be able to feel more peace, more okay with myself, even in bad or unpleasant circumstances. And I'm even open to the possibility that no matter how often it happens, maybe today could be a little less bad than I'm imagining. Maybe some of the things I'm sure will happen might not, or not the way I think. But most importantly, even if they do, I am empowering myself to say that I can practice and grow, that it doesn't trigger the same response in me. I'm choosing to open myself up to allowing that. All right, let's take a breath. Yeah, I hope that helps. Hope that processes some of the dread. Because of course, feeling that level of fear and anxiety is not going to help navigate the situation any better. So the idea is to tap while exposing yourself to that feeling, help that calm down, and open up your mind to, even if it's a brutal environment, imagining yourself being able to navigate that with more grace and ease. I hope that helps you with that today. Let me know if you have any questions. If you'd like to reach out, work together in any other ways, feel free to explore some of the links in the description. And I hope to see you again soon. Thank you.